The Winter Paddy Buckley is a 100-kilometer mountain running round, climbing over 47 of Snowdonia's highest summits. The record is 21 hours 30. Last year I tried to get it and I missed it.
Coming up, summit number 1, 47. If it stays like this today, we're in for a good day.
I want to break the winter record solo and unsupported.
I'm coming for you. My thighs are cramping. I thought I was going to have to quit the race.
I'm starting to realize I'm making mistakes now.
That wasn't mole 11. This is mole 11. I always get the wrong one. Oh, it's a big waste of time.
My mind is starting to shudder.
God damn it. Getting lost in my own back garden.
My head's getting foggy.
Which way is it?
Everything starts to get a bit shaky. It was a sign of things to come, really.
Oh man, it's terrible up there. It's just going to be dangerous. I was getting like hypothermic. I was slipping, ice all over the rocks. Oh man, it's just bad.